Guys, next, in the last video, we have seen that intro of 4.3 about natural roots. We have seen it. Here, we are going to continue in the sums. That is 4.3. First Roman, we are going. What they are asking, you just see here. Here, they tell what they are telling. Find the nature roots of the following quadratic equation. If real roots exist, the very important condition they are telling. If real roots exist, then find them. Them in the sense, then we have to solve it. Then we have to solve. Like that, they are asking to go. Shall we go now? Right. So we are going now. One by one. First question I am taking. Listen carefully. First question I am taking 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. Okay. The very important thing. This is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then what is the a value? 2. What is the b value? Minus 3. What is the c value? 5 plus 5. Understand? We have to check first d value. D value we have to check. That is b square minus 4ac whether getting real roots or not. If it is getting real root, we can go for solving. If it is not getting real root, you can stop it. Okay. Now, what is the b value? Minus 3 square minus 4 into a value 2, c value 5. Right. When I square this, what I am getting? 9. Minus 4 2s are 8 5s are 40. When you subtract minus 31, then what it is? What is the answer? Less than 0. Okay. Real root does not exist. So we have to say no real roots. So therefore, what we have to say? No real roots we have to say. What we have to say? No real roots. Our real root does not exist. Also we can say. Okay. Then that's it. No need to go. No need to solve the first one. Because when we are not getting real root, we no need to solve the thing. Understand? Stop. First is over. And second we are going here. 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 equal to 0. Okay. Here, this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then, what is the a value? 3. What is the b value? Minus 4 root 3. What is the c value? 4. First, let me find a d value. D equal to what? B square minus 4ac. What is the b value we have? Minus 4 root 3 square minus 4 into a value 3, c value 4. When you apply the power, minus 4 squared value is 16. Root 3 squared value 3. Okay, ma? Then what I am getting here? 4 4s are 16 into 3. Then what I will get here? 48 minus 48, 0. When d value is 0, then what we can say? Then it has real and equal roots. Okay, real and equal roots. After getting this, we can go for solving the solution for x. Understand? So, what is the formula for solving the equation? X equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divide 2a. Am I right? Right. Now, what is minus b? B value is what here? Minus of minus 4 root 3 plus or minus. What is b square minus 4ac from here? 0. See, we have solved now. B square minus 4ac equal to what I am getting? 0. Then you can go directly 0 now. Then apply 0. Whole divide 2 into a. A value what? 3. Right. Now, minus into minus plus 4 root 3 whole divide 2 into 3. What, my dear? 2 into 3. You can cancel this. 1 time, how many time? 2 time. This 3 we can write root 3 into root 3. Am I right? Next step I will write this. 2 root 3 whole divide. This 3 I can write root 3 into root 3. Because root 3 into root 3? 3 only. No other changes. So 1 3 will be cancelled. 1 root 3 will be cancelled. Then remaining what I am getting? 2 divided root 3. Okay, this is what? X value. But what is this equation? Quadratic. Quadratic in the sense how many answers we should get? 2 answers. But I'm getting 1 answer only, no? Why? Because, very good. Because it is what? Equal. Very good. Very good. So therefore, x equal to 2 by root 3, comma, write one more time because it is equal. Same answer you write one more time because it is equal. When you have a equal roots, you will be getting one answer, but you want to write twice because it is equal. Do you understand what I am telling? Right. And the third one is homework you are going to do. Third one is homework. You can try like this. Whether it is getting exist and not exist, first you check. If it is not exist, like a first one you stop. If it is getting exist, like a second one you do it. Do you understand? Shall we go next Roman? Right. Okay, we are going here. So here find the value of k. Find the value of a k for each of the following quadratic equation so that they have two equal roots. What is meaning of equal roots? D equal to 0. D equal to 0. In the first Roman, we have we have checked whether it is D0, D greater than 0, D less than 0. Here they are telling that D equal to 0. And we have to find the k. K means one of the coefficient or constant is a missing value. That we have to find here. Do you understand what I am telling? Right. So if I take the first one, if I take the first one, what I have 2x square plus k times x plus 3 equal to 0. As per the condition, they said what? D equal to 0, am right? Before goes, this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then what is a value after compare? 2. What is b value after compare? K. What is c value after compare? 3. D equal to 0. It's a what? A given condition. Given condition is what? D equal to 0. Because they said what? Because they said what? Equal roots. Because they said equal roots. So I'm using it here. Because they said that it is equal roots. D value I know. B square minus 4ac equal to 0. Okay, b value what I know? K. Then k square minus 4. Let it be. A value what I know? 2. C value what I know? 3. Equal to 0. Send as it is opposite. Then k square equal to minus value when you send opposite plus 4 into 2 into 3. Am I right? I'm not multiplying, just I'm sending as it is. Square when you send opposite, square root of 4 into 2 into 3. Then what is the answer for that? K equal to. For 4 we have a root value what? 2. What 2? Plus or minus 2. And inside 2 and 3 we don't have. Then 2 3s are 6. Then what is the value of k? Plus or minus 2 root 6. It can be plus or it can be minus. Do you understand? Do you understand? Right. Right. This is one of the important here. We are getting these two things. And we are going for the k value. Suppose. Yeah, this is okay because we can give both are applicable. We can give. Whether it's satisfying or not satisfying also we can check if you wanna confirm your answer. Because plus you take 2 root 6 in plus you take. Minus you take. In both you have to check whether we are getting equal to 0 or not. Sometime in positive you may not get. In negative you may get. Then negative only you have to give as answer. Sometime in negative you may not get. In positive you will get. Then positive only you have to give as answer. Sometime in MCQ, this both the answer they would have given. Then you will be getting confused. They are given plus or minus both. Then what we have to give? That means they are given separate option. Plus 1 option, minus 1 option. One only will be satisfied. One will not. Do you understand? But here it is okay. It will satisfy. Not problem. If you have a doubt, you can go through it. Okay. Right. I'm going to second. Second is what given? K into K x into x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. Is that is in the form of ax plus bx plus c equal to 0? No. Then you have to bring. Okay. Then you have to bring in the form of that. Take this, multiply. Take this, multiply. Then you will be getting this. Okay. take kx into x, kx square minus 2 into kx minus 2kx plus 6 equal to 0. Is it okay? Is it okay, children? Right. Now this is in the form of, this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then what is a? Compare k. What is b? Compare it. Minus 2k. Don't say 2k. Minus 2k. C equal to what? 6. Now we have to go for d. D. What they are telling? 0. Because equal roots. Because they said very clearly equal roots. Go for d. D is what? B square minus 4ac equal to 0. B value we know very well here. Minus 2k square minus 4 into a value k and c value 6, which is equal to 0. Apply the power here. Apply the power. What I am getting? When I apply that, plus 4k square. When you square negative, it will become a positive. Am I right? Am I right? Right. And here what? Minus 4k into 6 equal to 0. Am I right? If you want to write, you can write 24. But I'm going to take my 4k commonly outside. Have you seen that in both the steps we have a 4k? Then why we have to multiply? If you multiply also, again we have to take commonly. Then don't multiply, let it be as it is. That's what here also I didn't multiply. If I multiply here, again for taking root, I should take a prime factor. Then let it be, no need to take no. Like that you have to think. Understand? Like that you have to think before doing each step. Clear? Right. So here I'm going to take 4k commonly outside. Then what I have remaining here? K. Very good. Because when I multiply k into 4k, it became a 4k square. Okay. And minus. After taking 4k outside, what I have inside? 6 equal to 0. Then here the very important step I'm going to apply. What? 4k. 4k we should not send opposite because it is a variable, man, here. 4k equal to 0. You want to do this step. Most of the people doing this mistake. Yeah, it's a variable. You should not send opposite. 4k equal to 0 and k minus 6 equal to 0. Multiple 4 when you send opposite. Divide 4. Then 0 by anything? 0. Then one value is 0. But later I will reject the 0. Because when I give k 0, the equation became what? Only 6. Am I right? If you are taking k as a 0, it never be quadratic, it never be a linear. It's like a constant polynomial. Am I right or wrong? Right. So I should not take equal to 0, but even though I should show k equal to 0 because it is a quadratic. Because it is what? Quadratic. When it is a quadratic, you should show 2 answers. If you not show, they never give full mark for you when you take centum. Do you understand? You should be very clear when you give your answers. Right. And some people here, they do mistake. I will tell you what they will do. And k equal to 6 and this is rejected because if you take this, it never became a quadratic or linear. Okay. So it's rejected. Therefore, k value is 6. Like that here also we should check. That is what I said. When you check, sometime something will be rejected, something will be accept. That's what I said. We have to check the equation. But when 0, we must check. Because sometime when it is a quadratic, we are telling a not equal to 0. When we are writing in the form of this, what we are telling here, a should not equal to 0, right? Like that, here also, after forming a quadratic, which not equal to 0? K must not equal to 0, right? One more step I tell you, what they do common mistake here. Even some teachers also, they do this mistake. What in the sense? After getting this, they never take commonly outside. What they will do, minus value will send opposite. Then what I am getting? 4k into 6. 4 cancel. K cancel. K equal to 6 they will be giving. One answer we lose, you know. We are getting only one answer. How many answers we should get? 2 answers. We lose one answer. Then there also you never get a full mark. Is there any mistake there? No mistake. But we are not getting 2 answers. That is the problem. Even some teacher also, they will do this mistake. There you should be careful. Understand? You should careful. Then only you can get a full mark. You should careful. Then only you can get full mark. You should be very clear. You should not do that step. After getting k 2 times, you should write. It's not possible because if it is taking it became a constant. Okay, it never be a quadratic, so it's rejected. You should reject, but you should write k equals 0. After k equals 0, what is that? You just reject it, not a problem. Do you understand what I am speaking? Right, shall we go next? Right. Is it possible to design? What is the meaning of it is possible to design? First, we have to check whether it is forming or not forming. That means here nothing is mentioned. What chapter, third chapter, second chapter, fourth chapter, nothing is mentioned. The only one word is given. When you go for the board exam, you have to identify by reading the question, this is from fourth chapter, by using the first word. Is it possible? Possible means we have to check whether D equal to real roots or no real roots. That is called possible. If it is a possible, it became a real roots. If it is not possible, it became no real root. Do you understand what I am speaking? So, by reading the question only, you should understand it is from what chapter. So, this is the keyword to identify the topic. So, this is from nature roots. Do you understand? Right. Now, it is possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length will take something rectangular. This is so length. Let me take as L, and this is breadth. Let me take as Y. Okay. Now, first condition. What it is? Length. Length means L. Length means what here? L. Oh, sorry. Instead of L, shall we assume as X? What did you say? X. That is Y. Okay. Length. Here, let me write that then. Let length equal to X. Meter is given, then X meter. Okay, and breadth equal to Y meter, and we can go to the, what is that? First step. What is the first step? Length. Length in the sense X is, so I'm giving equal here. Length in the sense X is in the sense equal twice. So 2 times its breadth. Its breadth in the sense Y. So this is condition number 1. Is it okay? Condition number 1. Next, the area. Area is 800. What is the area formula for length? Length into breadth. Very good. So area equal to length into breadth. That is X into Y. Area, it's given that what? Yeah, 800 equal to X into Y. We know X there. And we have to find length and breadth. Okay, we know X here from 1. From 1, we know X. What is X? 2 times Y. One more Y we have here. Am I right? The X is substituting as 2Y. One more Y we have. Do you understand? Right. That is I'm doing. Now 2 times Y. So what we can write? If it is possible, you can cancel this. Yeah, it's possible, no? 1 time how many? 400. Right, fine. Okay, 400 equal to Y into Y square. Oh, I couldn't check that thing, no? First we'll check. It's easy to solve. When you send a root opposite, root. Then what I'm getting? 20. 20 into 20 we can write length and the breadth. But we should check is it possible or not. They ask to check no. Am I right? They ask to check no. Then make an equation. Take this 400 to opposite. But this, let me take 2. While solving time, we'll come to here again. Okay, we'll come back to here. But here I want to make equation. 400 when it's on the right hand side, minus 400 equal to 0. When I write in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, I should write y square plus 0y minus 400 equal to 0. Now we should write this is in the form of ax square plus bx like that. Here instead of x we should use y because the variable is y. Okay, right. Now you write this is in the form of a y square plus by plus c equal to 0. Okay, then what is a? 1. What is b? 0. What is c? Minus 400. Okay, first check d. D equal to b square minus 4ac. What is b? 0 square. Okay, minus 4 into A value 1, C value minus 400. So okay, this minus and that minus and minus plus 4 4s are 1600. Then what it is? Greater than 0. Then what we can say? It has it has real and distinct roots. You will be when you find a y value, you will be getting two different answer like that. Two different answer you will be getting. So real and distinct roots. Instead of writing real and distinct, they ask to check is it possible. Instead of writing real and distinct roots, you write yes, it is possible. Or a real root exists. Also you write. Okay, you write real and distinct roots. But in bottom you just write that is possible. Only one word you write. Enough. No need to form a statement also. Possible. That is the answer. If it is possible, you underline. Possible you write. If it is possible, you underline. Then we are going for the solving. Okay. Now we are going for the solving. Solving 2. That is what it is again. 400 equal to y square. Y square when you send opposite, root 400 equal to y. When you take root plus or minus 20 equal to y, what it mean? Minus 21 answer, plus 21 answer. But negative we should reject. Positive we should accept. That's what they are telling you, distinct roots. One negative, one positive. We are getting distinct roots. That's what they are telling. Okay, right. Now we are going for finding the what it is. Here negative is rejected, no? So 20 meter equal to y. Negative is rejected. In bracket you write negative value rejected. Negative value is rejected. After getting y value, take substitute in 1, you will be getting x value because they asked to find both length and breadth. Can I write here or go to next page? I'll complete here itself. Okay, and go to 1. 1 implies what I am getting? X equal to 2 into y. Y value is what? 20. Then x equal to 40 meter. Then length is 40, breadth is 20. Length is 40, breadth is 20. That is the rectangular mango groove they made. You want to write in word. Okay, therefore length equal to, can you write like this? Can you write? Length is 40 meter and breadth equal to what, my dear? 20 meter. Can you complete like this? You should complete, no, everything. Is it okay? All those. So one sum I gave as a homework from first Roman. Okay, what is it? You have to do that. You understand the word problem. See, these things is very important. Sometimes they may ask in 3 mark also. Sometimes they may ask 3 mark. Here the most of the people they will do mistake. This they will not check. Directly they will give this. I mean, after reaching this step, their mind think, it's very easy to solve. We can solve. When we send a square opposite, they are getting root. Okay, super. We are getting answer like that. They will be moving. But the very important condition, what they asked in the first word, is it possible? First word they ask, is it possible? First we have to say, yes, it is possible. How? If we get a real root, then only we can able to say it is possible. Do you understand? That's very important here. Don't do it mistake. It's very important. So possible, not possible you say, then go for solving. Understand? Even some teacher also, they do mistake here. They never think about these things. Directly they will solve. Okay, sir, if we are getting answer, it is possible only, sir. Like that they will speak. But we have to show the steps. Understand? Right. Can I show the first page to write? Okay. Right. It's enough today's class. Okay. Right.